So the cabin air filter is located on the passenger floor, up on the top here underneath this kick panel. And it has 2 screws that hold it in, and that's a Torx bit, which is a T20. So we're gonna locate the center there, spin those right out. One. Once you take those out, grab right onto this and pull it down. It's got some metal prongs. Just grab it, pull it right out. Now you can see the cabin air filter box right here. It's got a drain hose to it. I'm gonna pop that out. There is 4 screws holding this cover on, and they're Torx again. And it's a T20, just like the other cover. That's nice of them. Switching hands. And now to get to these 2 back screws, I needed a shorter setup here. So I just put a T20 1/4-inch drive on a little ratchet. Because of the angle of the floor, you can't really get a screwdriver in there anymore. And break the other side free. Oh boy, this cover comes down. Wait till you see the stuff in this. Okay, last one here. I'm gonna hold the cover because I don't want any surprises. Wow, I don't think this has been changed in many years. Now you're about to see front row what happens when you don't change your cabin air filter. Wow. The air filter, cabin air filter, has a cut to it. So this part goes straight up like this meeting the outside fender well. So we're gonna line it right up with that cutout. Slide it straight up. It actually went in so much easier than that other one that I just took out. All right, so now we're going to reinstall the cover. I'm going to have to vacuum this floor after. So I'm going to line it up. Get a good little push up in there. Start the front one here. Start it by hand so there's no complications. I'm going to go opposite to the back side here. There it is. All right, now 2 left. And the one in the back. I'm just going to put my ratchet on the socket, snug them all the way up. Put that drain hose on. And now we're ready to put the passenger side kick panel back up. You have ears on this side that are going to tuck up over here. And then add it up to the top. And one push pin in the side over here. Then you've got your 2. Luckily they're all a T20, so it's pretty easy, no extra tools.